What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I just wanted to hop back on camera to show you a little proof video of Textbot.ai, and I want to show you that I have received a sale earlier today. As you can see, I'm gonna go right back in my email to show you that this system still does work. I've been with this system for quite some time. This is SMS marketing at its best, and this is what you can use for your business, to get exposure. So I'm gonna show you, then I'm gonna let you know a little bit about Textbot.ai and how you can implement this into your daily operations. All right, so moving along, I'm gonna show you. Today is the 24th, January 24th, and I have received this sale earlier today. And pretty much I was asleep. Not sleep, but I was up, doing my work and everything like that, and this sale had came in today, and this goes to show you, when you're doing, when you're promoting and being consistent, these sales can come, to you when you least expect it. So you can see right here, Textbot, you got a new sign up, and then it says you got money headed your way, pretty much. Okay, so going back into this, you want to know more about SMS marketing. I can teach you that. I can show you that. I do have videos, as talking about SMS and other previous videos that I have made with Textbot.ai. Basically, just giving you a little brief overview. It's an SMS platform where you can be assigned a number. Once you get signed up with this program, you be assigned your own personal number, and with this number you can share this number on various different platforms. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, you name it, all different types of social media. And what happens is, once a person call or text that phone number, we have a virtual robot by the name of 𝗖cie. Now 𝗖cie, with this virtual robot, she does all the selling and telling for you. She pretty much take your leads and she guide them through every step, every prompt that they need to follow, and she can be able to bring them onto the system. So it's like a funnel. It's like a funnel. You bring them in through however you your preference of traffic. They come in through that funnel and they put in their information. Once they put in their information, 𝗖cie then sells them the product. And that's what's so brilliant about it. You have your own VA, and that's what I liked about Textbot.ai. It helped me tremendously be able to close sales and my other opportunities that I have, because you don't have to necessarily promote Textbot.ai per se, but you can use this to promote a primary business. So you can see back here, this is the chat. I'm gonna show you one of the chats of how it look, because you have a certain keywords that you can use as well, and these particular keywords is what what triggers 𝗖cie. And you can set your keywords for whatever opportunity that you want, whatever you want 𝗖cie to say on your behalf. She'll cover that, and they make sure they give out their name and all that. I know you guys probably seeing me with this robe on, but it's kind of chilly today. That's why I got pretty much the leopard, or I could say jaguar type of robe on. So just want to be comfortable. But anywho's, that's what it's really all about. So you collect all these different types of numbers in your back office, and you have a course of training. You have Tech Talk Tuesday. They have training in back office, so you can know what the product is. They cover a lot of brief tutorials on Textbot.ai and the different various features that they have. You can promote your primary business with this opportunity. So that's what makes it so powerful. Unlike most SMS text messaging platforms, this has lots of bundles of information that can help you with your daily operations and marketing. And it's very powerful because with SMS marketing, more people be onto their mobile devices more than anything, because everybody checks their, they be on their phone, using whatever, YouTube, people be on their phones all the time. So when you send that number and it reaches someone, a person within 90 seconds is going to check their phones and say, wow, I got a text. They go check it out, and that's when you can present them with your opportunity. And that's what I love this system about. You can get started, just a one-time payment of $100. I believe it's $150 now, with the because it changed over time, but that's reasonable, guys. Like, to get this whole system, you can't beat it. If you would like to get started with me with Textbot.ai, and you can also receive those same commissions each daily basis, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you also like and subscribe to this channel. If this video done some good to you, I will definitely make upcoming more videos about Textbot.ai. For those that want a little bit more information, I make sure that I present that to you, because we living in an information world, and a lot of people want to know more features of how they can better their marketing. So I already know where you're coming from. I've been there before. I know it's tough with the online space, trying to get your feet wet in the door, and you're doing everything you can to become your own boss. So everything's is gravy. Like I said, make sure if you want to get started with me, I also can show you some brief tutorials on what I do, show you different types of strategies that I do for my marketing. Yeah, pretty much that covers today's video. So thanks again for watching Double Up with Astro. Like I said before, I definitely get you guys. Make sure you leave your comments below too if there's anything you want to request for me to make for you guys. I'm also on social media as well. That link will also be in the description below. All right, well, that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys on the other side.